guys, I'm Steve Marino. I'm the owner of 12 Bravo Construction and Comfort Specialist. Today we're going to go over smoke detector safety. I have an old one here. It was probably original to the house back in the 80s, and I'm going to replace it with a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector. And the reason I do that is because I have gas fired appliances in my house, and the carbon monoxide lets you know if you know there's carbon monoxide in the air. So here's the deal. I highly suggest that you read the instructions. There's things like if you're installing a battery one, you want to go where to install. Like there's certain things like you don't want to install it 15 feet within 15 feet of an appliance, which would be like your furnace or something like that. And I think it's like 5 feet away from like any cooking appliance and stuff like that. So for this, we're gonna need an 11-in-1. I highly suggest having one of these around the house. They fix a lot of stuff. It's about 19 bucks, but this will last you quite a while. My guys tend to lose them, so I go through one of these about every month. So, and then for this, we got the First Alert smoke detector. It's just your, I think it was like 40 or 50 bucks at Home Depot, or I'm sorry, Lowe's. And what I found is it actually connects, so you don't have to do any wiring and stuff like that. They have connectors that you use to connect. So, but in my case, my house, it seems like it's going to plug right in because there's a plug on the back here, and it's going to. I've already checked it out, so this is actually just going to plug right into my thing, and I don't even have to do any wiring and stuff. So. For this, I didn't even turn the power off. If you got to actually cut the wires and and rewire it up, then you're going to want to obviously cut the power off. But this one, we're just swapping out a plug. So we will begin. Oh, and you're going to need a handy dandy chair. I didn't feel like getting the ladder out of the truck, so we got a chair. First, what I'm going to do though, before I do anything, is I'm going to do the batteries. The batteries go in the side here. Just slide out your little tray. Then you pop your batteries in. And that's it. So this one, you push it in and rotate it to the left, and it's going to pop out. And as you can see, we got dust and stuff in there. This one's real easy. There's a little clip right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this little clip, and there's a plug. And if you put your screwdriver in there and pry it away from the plug, you'll be able to pull it out eventually. And of course, I'm making a video, so it's not gonna work for me. There we go. So basically, you pry the little thing that way, and it pulls the plug out. So, and that's it. And then what we'll do is we gotta take the plate off because the new plate. Just loosen the screws or take them out. In this case, I'm going to loosen them because it'll shift. There's little holes, you just shift it and then slide it down, and it's right there. Then you got your handy dandy little plugs there, so or your things for your screws. So what I'm going to do is line it up, and you can see where it just lines straight up. Now you don't want to over tighten it, it'll crack it, and then you bought a smoke detector, it's not going to work. Right. If you have a screw gun, which I do, I just don't have a flat tip right now for it. There you go. It'd be a lot faster. And then boom, the old plug goes right in there. just like it did there. Make sure that it says, it even tells you, if you look closely, black line, which black is always your hot. So if you're actually wiring it up, when you cut the power off, that is the always hot, and then the white is the neutral, which carries the current back and forth on alternating current. And then the orange is like, not real sure, I didn't read the directions. Alright, so it ran through the little test.
Warning, evacuate, carbon monoxide, evacuate.
I think it's done.
Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. Replace battery.
Alright, I think we're good. It ran through the system test, tells you to replace the battery. So the same thing, this one is going to push in, so you just got to line it up where it's going to line up, and you'll push it in and you'll rotate it clockwise. And there you go. It's done.